Hi everyone, and welcome to our third online assembly. We're going to start today's assembly with our acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge
the traditional owners
and custodians of this land. We acknowledge
the waterways,
the land, the sky, and all who
inhabit this place.
Country.
We acknowledge
Our ancestors.
We acknowledge
our elders.
Who have gone before us.
And those who stand for us today.
We acknowledge our past
and stand here for our future country.
Now it's time for the national anthem. Can we all please stand for Advance Australia Fair? Now it's time for our Student of the Week certificates. In Olivia's class, the Student of the Week is Jesse. Jesse was caring for himself, making good choices in the classroom. Well done, Jesse. In Beth and Freya's class, the Student of the Week is Jay. Jay was also caring for himself, caring for his learning by making great choices in the classroom. In Taylor's class, Muhammad is the Student of the Week. Muhammad was caring for his learning, doing great work, completing all tasks. Well done, Muhammad. In Kristen's class, Mia is the Student of the Week. Mia was caring for herself, making great choices when she's in the green zone. Well done, Mia. In Carolyn's class, Riley is the Student of the Week. Riley was caring for himself, showing cares for self when following instructions. Well done, Riley. In Vanessa's class, Lucas is the Student of the Week. Lucas has been trying really hard to self-regulate and make good choices, and this is for caring for others. Well done, Lucas. In Zoe's class, Kai is the Student of the Week. Kai's been caring for his learning, doing a great job working with numbers this week. Well done, Kai. In Matt's class, Abdul is the Student of the Week. He's done a great job caring for his learning, working hard at shape matching. And in the seniors, we've got 3 Students of the Week. Lizzie, caring for others, making good choices at school. Well done, Lizzie. Sophia, caring for others, making good choices at school. And finally, Alana, making good choices, caring for her learning. Well done to all of our Students of the Week.
Okay, it's time for our Care Ticket prize winners. We've got Early Years O,
And the winner is Mia. We've got early years S, and the winner is Molly Rose. Early years F, and our winner is River. Okay, let's have a look at who's our winners from middles. Middle L, Mia. Middle M, Seth. And from middle H, Eli. Still at middles, we've got middle F, and our winner is Riley. Middle D, Savannah. Middle W, Luca. Secondary T, and our winner is Kirsten. Oh, Senior H. And our winner is Sophia. Senior P. And our winner is Trent. Well done to all our prize winners for this week.
Okay, happy Friday everybody. I'm excited this week because I'm going to get to spin the care wheel. We have lots of students on it who have achieved care bands this week and are going to win a prize. But before that, I'm going to tell you about this week's care. This week's care is I let others learn. It's a care for yourself care. Next week's care is I get on the bus. When I'm ready. Now it's time to spin the wheel. I'm going to do it myself this week. I think that's the first time I've spun it. Let's give it a good hard spin and see who wins the prize. And around it goes. That was a good hard spin. Oh, there's Jason, there's Riley, there's Michelle, there's Samuel. There is... Who's Safer? Congratulations to Safer, you're this week's Care Wheel winner. Have a great weekend and I'll see you next Friday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Now it's time for our birthdays. Happy birthday this week to Luca.
This week's author of the week is Oscar. Oscar did some great retelling of the book Who Sank the Boat. He gets our author of the week prize. Good job, Oscar, on your writing.
Now it's time for our sign of the week with Lindeen.
And it goes on wheels and it goes in a snake.
That brings us to the end of today's online assembly. Join with us to sing the Kuraby Special School song, and we look forward to seeing you next week.